If you're having trouble downloading and applying critical settings on Roblox, here's a quick fix to solve that issue. Let's get started. First of all, close Roblox completely if it's running on your device. Make sure no Roblox processes are active in the background. Next, check your internet connection. A slow or unstable connection can prevent critical settings from downloading. Try switching to a stronger Wi-Fi network or using mobile data if possible. Now, clear Roblox cache. On Windows, press Windows plus R and then type percentage local app data percentage. After that, go to the Roblox folder and then delete the logs and versions folders. On mobile devices, you can try reinstalling Roblox to clear cache. After that, restart your device and then open Roblox again. Attempt to log in and check if the critical settings download successfully. If the problem still persists, make sure your firewall or antivirus isn't blocking Roblox. Temporarily disable them and try again. Finally, ensure your Roblox app or game client is updated to the latest version by checking the official website or app store. And that's all. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the critical settings download issue on Roblox. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos, and thank you for watching.